Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube students. Today we are going to discuss our topic 4 of class 9th, that is algebraic expressions and algebraic formula. This topic has 4 further subtopics that are 4.1 algebraic expressions, 4.2 algebraic formula, 4.3 surds of second order and their application, 4.4 that is rationalization. Today we will discuss our topic 4.1, that is algebraic expressions, about the polynomials, and we will discuss whether the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. First of all, dear students, what is polynomial? A polynomial, if we are talking about the polynomial, that in mathematics polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients, that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponents of variables. Exponents of variable. So it will be 2x raised to power minus 1 plus 3. It will not be a polynomial if the variable having negative power or variable is in the denominator, like 2 by x, 3 by x, 4 by x. So this will not be a polynomial. Let's see the examples of the polynomial given here. So an example of a polynomial is x square minus 4x plus 7. Here we can say that these first term, second term and the third term are combined together by the subtraction and addition sign. Fine. Okay, here we are having 4xy square plus 3x minus 5. 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 terms, and example of the polynomial, this one has 3 terms. Okay? A polynomial comes, this is a general thing which you all should know and remember, that the polynomial comes from the word poly, meaning many, and the nomial mean the term. So it says many terms. Polynomial in general, we can say that the polynomial means many terms. Fine. Okay ji. The next thing, a polynomial can have constants. Fine. Yes, 3, minus 20 or 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be there because it is the constant term. But if the variable will be like x by 2, fine. But if 2 by x is there, so this will not be considered as a polynomial. Variable like x and y, exponents like 2 in y square, but only 0, 1, 2 and 3 etc. are allowed. Negative are not allowed. Just the positive are allowed. Fine. That can be combined by addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Except what cannot come into the polynomial, what is not included in the polynomial. See, not division by the variable like 2 by x. So a polynomial can have constants, variable and exponents, but never division by the variable. Means x by 2 is acceptable, but 2 by except is not acceptable. Then the whole expression is not a polynomial. Next thing is, also they can have one or more terms but not an infinite number of terms. The number of terms should be finite. Here we have learned that what is polynomial. A polynomial can have constants, variables, exponents, but the variable cannot be in the denominator, or variable cannot have a negative exponent power. Okay, polynomials or not. Polynomials or not. Polynomials, here see exponents 0, 1, 2. We are having here 4 terms. Fine. So here we see that the exponents are 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and here exponent is 0. So fine, this is a polynomial. But here you can see if we are having 3xy minus 2. So y raised to the power minus 2. So negative exponent is not acceptable in the polynomial. So it will, when we will write it, it will be written as this, and the denominator, if the variable is coming in the denominator, then this will not considered as a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. Here in the same case, in this one, you can see 2 by x plus 2. This is not a polynomial. These are the polynomials: 3x, x minus 2, minus 6, y square, minus 7 over 9. It is written like this: 6y square minus 7 by 9 into x. X is not in the denominator, x is in the numerator, but that constant term can be in the denominator. So this will be considered as the polynomial. Okay, general form of the polynomial function is, this is the general form of the polynomial p of x, an x raised to the power n, an minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 1, a square x square, a1 x raised power 1, a0 x raised power 0, that will be considered as 1. So this will be a naught. Fine, where an minus 1, a1 and a0, a naught are the real numbers and n are the integers. The integer n is known as the degree of the polynomial. Yes, this is very important. This is very, very important, that this is the general form of the polynomial function where an is not, this will never be a 0. An cannot be equal to 0, and n is the degree of the polynomial. Like I am having 2x square plus 3x plus 1. This is a polynomial. Yes, this is a polynomial. So this 2 is not equal to 0. Fine, we have written here 2, and this square n, this is very important thing, that n is known as the degree of the polynomial where an is not equal to 0. This is very important, that this should not be equal to 0 always for the polynomial, and this n is the degree of polynomial. This n is the degree of the polynomial. Fine, if I am having 2x square plus 3x plus 4, this is considered as a polynomial. This is a polynomial, and here variable highest power is 2. So this is 2 is the degree of polynomial. So this polynomial have degree 2. So let's go to the next slide, that is, if there are some examples of the polynomial. If I am having 3xyz plus 3xy square z, 0.1xz minus 200y plus 0.5, 512v5 plus 99w5 and the 5, these all are the polynomials. Fine, if I am saying this 5 is a polynomial, one term is allowed and it can be just a constant, so we can write down x raised by 0. Fine, so this is a polynomial. Constant is also a polynomial. The thing what is not polynomial, if the variable is in the denominator, this is not a polynomial. Constant, variable, power, highest power, that raised to the power 5, these all are the polynomials, but when the variable is in the denominator and infinite terms are not considered as a polynomial. These are not polynomials. You can see that the first example, 3xy raised power minus 2. Here you can see that y power is minus 2. Exponent is negative, or if we are writing it, so it will be 3x by y square. So this is not a polynomial. Another one, here again variable is in the denominator, 2 by x plus 2. Variable is in the denominator, so this is not a polynomial. 1 upon x is not a polynomial. Under root x is not, because its exponent is not an integer. Yes, we have discussed in our previous slide where we were discussing about the polynomial that the variable power should be integer, positive integer. Exponent should not be in the fraction. Here we can see the very important concept that the variable should not be in under root, and the cube root sign means that their power should not be equal to 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 3. Like if I am writing under root x, so it means that x raised power 1 upon 2. If it is cube root, then x raised power 1 upon 3. So this is not, power is not a integer, so this is a fractional exponent. So it means that this will not be a polynomial. So the thing, everything is polynomial, even the constant term is also a polynomial. But what is not polynomial? If the variable having the negative power, if the variable is in the denominator, if it is in the under root sign or the cube root sign, it means that if the variable is under the under root sign, the square root sign or the cube root sign, mean when there is a surd, so then it will not considered as a polynomial. X by 2 is allowed. Constant can be in the denominator. 3x by 8, 3x by 8 is also a polynomial. It is allowed, but the variable should not be in the denominator. Under root 2 is also allowed because it is the constant term, but if I am saying that under root x, so this will not be a polynomial. Yes, under root 2 by 2 into x is a polynomial. So now we have monomial, binomial and the trinomial. 3 types of polynomials we have discussed. If a polynomial have just one term, so it is called monomial, like a monocycle, one having one wheel. If a polynomial have 2 terms, this is called by 2 terms, then it is called binomial, like bicycle. If a polynomial have 1, 2, 3 terms, this is called trinomial, so like a tricycle. There is also a quadrinomial, 4 terms, and the quantinomial, that is 5 terms, but those names are not often used. So next is, what is variable? Polynomial can have no variable at all. Examples: 21 is a polynomial. It has just one term, which is constant, or one variable. Example is x raised power 4 minus 2x square plus x has 3 terms, but only one variable, x. Or 2 or more variables, for example, x y raised to the power 4 minus 5x square into z has 2 terms but 3 variables x, y and z. Now let's discuss the degree of the polynomial, that is very important. Let's discuss degree of the polynomials. The degree of the polynomial with only one, Now let's discuss degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial with one variable is the largest exponent of the variable. Like if I am writing 6, so it means it can be written as 6, Okay, let's discuss the degree of the polynomials. The degree of the polynomial with only one variable is the largest exponent of that variable. If I am writing like, let me choose the pointer. If it is 6, that is the constant one, it can be written as 6x raised to the power 0, because x raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it means that 6x raised to the power 0 is equal to 6 into 1, that is equal to 6. So 6, number of terms are 1 and this is a monomial. If I am having x plus 3, it is number of terms are 2. It is binomial. If 3x square, number of terms are 1 and this is monomial. Here number of terms are 1, 2 and 3. This is trinomial. Number of terms are 2. Binomial. Number of terms are 4. Polynomial of 4 terms. Okay. Degree, what is the degree? Here the degree of the polynomial is 0, as 6x raised to power 0 is there. So degree of the polynomial is 0. Here the degree of the highest variable power is 1 over there. So the degree of the polynomial is 1. Here the highest variable power is 2. So this is quadratic and the degree of the polynomial is 2. And here the highest order of the polynomial is 3. So this is the cubic and degree of the polynomial is 3. This is highest order is 4, or the highest degree of the polynomial is 4. Highest degree of the polynomial is 4. And here the variable having 5 is the highest power of the variable. So this is quantic and the degree of the polynomial is 5. So it means that a polynomial, the degree of the polynomial is that power of the variable which is the largest one, which is the highest one, which is the largest exponent of the variable. Fine. So here, and if we are talking about the degree of the polynomial, wait a minute, if we are talking about this 4, then the polynomial having degree 4, because the term, this term x having 2 degree and y having 2, so 2 plus 2, that is 4. So it means, and this term having 3 degree, this term 2 and this is term 0. So the highest degree is 4. So this term having degree 4. I hope you are getting my point. Like here we can say that 2x cube and y square, x having 3 power plus y having 2 power. So it means the total power is 5. So this polynomial having degree 5. Here the polynomial, just one variable x is there, so the polynomial having degree 1. Okay, let us take an example. Like I am having 2x4 y3 plus 4x square y2 plus 3x1 y6. So what will be the degree of this polynomial? Let us add all the terms, exponents of all the terms one by one. Like if here 4 plus 3, here 2 plus 2, here 1 plus 6, 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 2 4, and 6 plus 1 7. Both two terms have the same exponent, so the degree of the polynomial will be 7. I hope you got the concept. So let us move to our next slide, that is exercise 4. Now let us discuss exercise 4.1, class 9th Karwan, Punjab textbook board. It's exercise 4.1. Question number 1 is identify whether the following algebraic expressions are polynomial. We have to write down yes or no. So let us discuss its first part, that is 3x square plus 1 upon x minus 5. So here you can see that this term is not considered as a polynomial term. Why? Because the variable is in the denominator. We have said that the variable number 1, variable should not be in the denominator. ठीक. Number 2, the variable should not be under root, square root or cube root sign means. And variable, third one, variable should not have the negative power, that is x raised to power 1 upon 2 or 2, or variable should not have the fraction, the power, fractional power. Fine, these 4 things should not be there. So the second one, see, the variable is in under root sign, so this will not be a polynomial. Third one, yes, this can be a polynomial. This is right, okay, and this is under root 2 is there. Variable is not in under root sign, the constant can be there. And here in the fourth term, the variable is in the denominator, so these first, second and fourth are not the polynomials, but the third one is a polynomial. So let's see the answers. Yes, this is not a polynomial, second is not a polynomial, third yes polynomial, and the fourth one is also not a polynomial. So our this topic has been completed. If you are having any question, if you want to ask something, then do write down into the comment box, and inshallah I will try to answer your questions. Fine, thank you. Allah Hafiz.